Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable multiple users on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on users and accounts. Now just tap on multiple users. Now from here to add another user, just tap on add user. Now just select OK. Now just enter the name of the new user, just like that. And once you enter the name of the user, just tap on OK. Now from here, you can disable phone calls and SMS, or if you enable this toggle and if you tap on OK, you can enable phone calls and SMS for the new user. Now just tap on switch to jack. Now from here, just tap on set app now. Now just select get started and tap on I have read and agreed to the above user agreements. From here, just tap on next. Now from here, just log in with the Gmail you want to use on the new users page. Now once you enter the Gmail account for the new user, just tap on next. Now just enter the password of the new Gmail. Now once you enter the password of the new Gmail, just tap on next. Now just tap on I agree. Now from here you can set an unlock method or you can skip this step. Now just tap on more and tap on accept and tap on no thanks. Now just tap on next and tap on get started. Now as you can see, we have successfully set up a new user on our smartphone. Just like that. And as you can see, all our data has been hidden and a new account has been opened on our smartphone. And this is how you can enable multiple users on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.